I dream of a church in India where Communio rises to greater heights, growing in generosity, unity, and missionary spirit in every diocese. And I dream of a church that creates safe and welcoming space for young people to share their questions, struggles, and aspirations, accompanying them with understanding, authenticity, hope, and missionary spirit.
Thank you.
The ex-president of Tamil Nadu Catholic Youth Movement. My dream for the Indian Church is twofold. First, prophetic solidarity, standing fiercely to defend the constitutional rights and Sikhs. Second, a radically casteless Catholic Church, dismantling the sin of caste to become a true undivided communion. Thank you.
I am Smriti Kujur, Communio Volunteer. A dream of church that is signed in unity in diversity, deeply Indian in expression yet fully rooted in universal church, radiating the joy of the gospel to the nation.
Thank you.
My name is Nihan Sikwera, Mangalore Diocese Communio Volunteer. I envision a church that walks closely with families, children and youth, accompanying them in their struggle, forming them in faith and empowering them to become missionary disciples. Thank you.
I'm Vijayaraj from Visakhapatnam Archdiocese, a Communio volunteer. I see a church that embraces digital evangelization creatively and responsibly, forming young leaders who witness to Christ in today's world with courage and conviction.
Thank you.
I'm Rashmi Snipara, Communio volunteer. I dream of a deeply transformed church rooted in Christ and radiating hope, where synodality is not just a concept but a lived reality at every level. And I wish the church should include those for whom it is making plans and policies so their problems can be heard directly, their participation and decision are valued, and the outcome are truly fruitful and lead to real action.
Communio volunteer. I dream of a self-sustaining and mission-oriented church where local communities take ownership of evangelization and new vocations arise joyfully from lived witness.
Thank you. Very good.
Stephen Lobo, a Communio volunteer from the Diocese of Shimoga. I dream of a missionary church that goes out to the peripheries, reaching the poor and broken and those searching for a meaning, and a church that guides and stands with the youth to rise with courage and conviction, rooted in faith, united in love, and fearless in living the gospel, and help us become a transforming force in society, taking stand for truth, justice, and compassion. Thank you.
Correct. Thank you.
My name is Ellen Simran Khalko, Communio volunteer from Chhattisgarh region. I dream of a church where youths are not only participants but protagonists in mission, empowered as leaders, innovators, and witnesses of Christ, actively shaping the life of the church with their creativity, energy, and faith.
Thank you.
I envision a church that is truly inclusive, compassionate, where no one feels excluded, regardless of background, language, caste, and social status, and where the dignity of every person is upheld.
Yes. Rutesh.
I'm Krutesh Mekwan from Diocese of Ahmedabad, and I'm a Communio volunteer. As I see a church where young people are sent forth as a missionary in their own context, schools, workplaces, and a digital space bring the light of Christ to their words, choices, and witness.
Yes, and laity cooperate as co-responsible partners in mission, building a culture of trust, dialogue, and shared leadership. Thank you.
Thank you.
Communio shining bright. In the dark we bring the light. Mother Teresa leads the line. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hearts and minds we intertwine. Hands together, strength we share. prayer. Every corner, every face, unreachable is now embraced. Step by step we pave the way, hope and love in every day. Communio shining bright, in the dark we